So you're thinking of moving to Dorado Hills, California. In this video, we're going to show you around Dorado Hills and some of the top things to do in this town. Popular spots that the locals love to frequent. If you're lucky enough to live in one of the many private communities here, there are even more things to enjoy living in Dorado Hills. If this is your first time to our YouTube channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Dorado Hills, California, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the very first to know of the current market in Dorado Hills, California. One of the first things you'll see when exiting the freeway to Dorado Hills is the iconic architecture all around us here at Town Center.
Everything, literally everything can be found here, from the Nugget to a Target to the local movie theater you see right behind me, Mercedes dealership, over 20 high-ranking restaurants, some of mine and Gail's fan faves, wellness centers, walking trails, and so much more. There are a handful of seasonal events that take place along the main street of Town Center. One of them is my personal fave, and that is our very own farmers market. It runs May through October, every Sunday.
Another community favorite are the summer concert series. They play every Thursday night from June to September. You grab a glass of wine, get something to eat, and hang out and enjoy the music. If you're coming from the Bay Area, you might compare Dorado Hills Town Center to the charm of Danville and Pleasanton's downtown shopping.
If you'd like to learn more about Dorado Hills Town Center, be sure to check out our video featuring Town Center and the many amazing restaurants that reside here. Beautiful Dorado Hills is nestled in the scenic mountain foothills of the Sierras, and it's often referred to as the gateway to El Dorado County. With elevations that range from 200 feet to over 10,800 feet, there is tremendous diversity in the landscape and so much to discover. Rich in history and with a wide variety of recreational choices, there is literally something for everybody. Recreational activities in El Dorado Hills include biking country roads, walking trails along the small streams out here, boating and jet skiing at Folsom Lake, as well as the hiking trails that surround it. Folsom Lake has 77 miles of shoreline. It's one of the most heavily used recreational areas in the entire state.
The most popular trail entrances includes Brown's Ravines. That's where we are right now. It includes 13 miles of walking, hiking. So then we have Salmon Falls, also known as the Darrington Trail. That's where all the local mountain bikers hang out, and it's about a 16-mile ride back and forth. And I'll tell you, it could be super technical and really steep. But there are some areas that baby bikers like you and I could go. And
I'm in.
Right, where they're exposed, well marked with caution tape. So there's something for everybody. You know, if you ride out there in the summer, I'll tell you, it gets hot. But those trails with the loop around the lake, you'll catch a breeze, and you're just gonna have a great time no matter what. So for those of you that are looking for adventure, just be sure to experience the whitewater rafting on the American River, or camping or fishing. You know, El Dorado County, we are in the heart of the most diversified recreational area in California. 1 million acres of national forest.
Desolation Wilderness Area is the most visited wilderness area in the state. The greater El Dorado County area provides 10 major reservoirs and has over 11,000 acres of lakes. Not only is that an abundance of lakes, but the county itself boasts over 500 miles of rivers and streams. Talk about a fisherman's dream. That provides habitat for more than 20 different species of fish. You like your bass, you like your salmon, here you go.
You know, a few of my favorite water activities include paddleboarding. I actually lead a paddleboarding group and I've done many lessons here on this lake. I've spent countless hours. This is my place. We also have cruising. We take out our boats. We do water skiing, jet skiing. I'd say the best spot to launch is Brown's Ravine. So once you get off the lake, this is my favorite place, whether I'm paddleboarding or out on our boat. We love the Purple Place. It has the best breakfast, and if you like good beer and Bloody Marys, it's the place to go. So back in 1955, right, isn't that where they started the Purple Place, where it was the only bar that had games? The way they ended up painting it purple was it just took a bunch of buckets that paint from different colors, slapped it on the walls, and voila, you got the Purple Place.
And while the Purple Place is a well-known biker destination, people love to stop here and enjoy the fish tacos. Their club sandwich is amazing, all on their way to Tahoe. Don't let it fool you. It's an amazingly family-friendly joint. We come here all the time on Saturday and Sunday with the kids for a great breakfast or Sunday brunch.
So another local favorite place is the Dorado Hills Saloon. It's right like 3 minutes down the road. So if you don't want to come have breakfast and you're more of the type that wants to get out there and have some live music, want to bring your dog and have a cocktail on the patio, you will be sure to find Val there.
It's not too far of a drive up from the Purple Place, and what's great about the Saloon location is it's actually like back door to some of the residential neighborhoods, Francisco Oaks, and a couple of the other local nearby spots. You can park and walk right to it and walk home. Gail loves to go there with Todd, and they enjoy the live music. It's a great spot where you can take your dog out on the patio. Phenomenal food, great vibe, not necessarily as busy as the vibe as some of the other local spots in El Dorado Hills, and the best part about it is local owned, so you're supporting your own town patrons. An unofficial El Dorado Hills tradition to honor birthdays, life events, life's lost, all sorts of major community events has been painting the rocks. These two rocks have been located right off El Dorado Hills Boulevard for years. Anybody in the community can pick up paint, come down here with a brush or a spray can, and change the look on the local art installation. It changes pretty often, and it can easily be seen from the road.
So right behind the rock, we have the El Dorado Hills Bowmen's Archery Club. There's over 28 different targets. So if you're coming here just to watch all of the experts, or if you want to watch some competition, or just participate with your family, it's just a great place to come and chill out on a weekend.
My name is Val Turner, and this is my partner, Gail DeMarco. And we're with the Turner, DeMarco, and Friedman Real Estate team. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to El Dorado Hills and Sacramento surrounding areas. I have been here since 2012, and Gail, I think a little bit longer than that, and we absolutely love it.
You know, so whether you're moving here in 9 days, 90 days, or even a year, and you just want to check out the area, go and give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We can help make you an educated move when it comes to moving to El Dorado Hills, California.